Hello, my favorite people. I hope you're doing great. I just need to remind you about this project. If you know you have tokens on your time farm, you need to watch this video from the beginning until the end. All right, I'm going to read this out for you and I'm going to break it down for you. All right, so if you know you're new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Subscribe, okay? So as you can see, this is not a new information. It's an announcement about the token burning by Timefarm. Make sure you watch this video on from the beginning until the end. All right, so as you can see, they say burn masters announced. These legends burn the most second in this round. This user burned up to 70 billion seconds and he won $500, 500 US dollars. And the second person here got 67 billion seconds. He burned 67 billion seconds and he got $250. The third person here burned 11 billion seconds and he got what? He got 125 US dollars. The second to the last burned just 7 billion and he got $75. The last one got burned 7.03 seconds and he got 50 US dollars. So for you to keep your tokens, if you have tokens that is up to 7 billion, for you to keeping them or waiting for them to do the listing, and you know what is usually used to happen at the end of any project, you will just end up getting dust. You will just ended up getting dust. So if you know you have tokens that are as big as this, make sure you go to you open your Timefarm app. As you can see, this is the winners. You open your Timefarm app, go to the wallet section and go to your token session and make sure you send your seconds to this user. Look at the user here, 6241281560. Make sure you send it to this users. Make sure you send it to this user. All right, send it to this user. If you have up to 7 billion above, send it to this user. You might win $75, $50, $125 or even more if you have billions of tokens, for you to keeping them for nothing, and at the end of the project you end up getting dust. All right, so this is like a reminder to you guys, and I know this will help a lot of you, a lot of those who have these tokens and are not willing to send them. All right, so this is all about today's update, and I'm going to keep updating you on this project from the beginning of this project until the end. We're going to keep going together and I'm going to keep updating you. All right, so please, if you are new, subscribe, and I'm going to drop link to my WhatsApp/Telegram channel. If you want to be part of my community, you just need to touch the link and join my community. All right, so thank you for watching. Peace.